June bugs. More June bugs. Look at that. Well, this is our June bug trap. Basically, all we have are some planting cells in their trays, lined up under a window, and in the evening we leave a light on in the window, and by morning, as you can see, we've got ourselves a pile of chicken feed. So basically how this works is the June bugs are flying around in the evening time and they're attracted to the light at the window. And being these big clumsy bugs that they are, they tend to bounce off the window, curl themselves into a little ball, and fall. And when they do, they land in these little trays here. And because the trays are plastic and very smooth, and these bugs are big, doofy bugs, they end up stuck. So, 2 nights ago we noticed the sound of the June bugs on the window, and I decided to try this because it's something I've been thinking about for a couple of years now. I happened on it by accident one morning. I came out and I had left a tray near a window and found June bugs in it. By the time it dawned on me, it was past June bug season. So basically, I heard them banging off the window the other night, and I set it up last night, and that's all it is. Some plant cell trays on a table under a window with a light on in the evening. And there are our June bugs. And one moth. When I originally got them in the trays this morning, they looked dead. Although now I'm thinking probably they were just asleep, because now they're quite active. And you can see a couple of them are trying to get away. But yeah, there's quite a few of them, and I'm going to do a little bit of research, see what the nutritional value of these things are as far as chicken feed and duck feed. And we'll go from there. I know the chickens love to eat them anyway, so we'll give them a little shake, kind of stun them, and then dump them on the ground for the birds. And watch them go a little crazy for them. What's up, boss? How you doing? I got you some bugs. You want some bugs? Check it out. How about this? That's that. June bugs. Chicken food. Done.